갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Diva. So I miss you all so much, and we are back. We are back. So guys, if today is your first time, please feel free to subscribe, join the family, and we always drop review here. We always make formulations, teaching, and so on and so forth. And if you want to join my online training class, yes, you are free to join now. We are doing 50% discount because we are ending to December. We are in the month of September, so I'm doing 50% discount, so you can join, register, learn how to make formulations. You have all time to ask me questions anytime. Even if you finish training, I will still be your madam. Anytime you're making your products and you are finding it difficult, you will still come and ask me questions. If you have some kind of clients and maybe something they want, you don't understand it, you don't know how to give it to them, you will still come and ask me. So it's just like we are bond. So that is it, guys. So you can my contacts are below the description box. Yes, so write me on WhatsApp if you want to join my training, if you want to buy my products for those in Europe, US, Canada, anywhere. Okay, apart from Nigeria and Africa. I haven't been shipping to that area yet because I'm still battling with the shipping stuff. It's really expensive. It's really expensive. To ship to Nigeria is 40 something euro. Can you imagine that? Which is about it's even more than 25,000 naira just to do shipping. So how much are you going to buy the products now? So but I ship to other parts of the world, Europe, all those places, Asia, US, Australia, Canada. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about whitening shower gel for your skin. Okay, whitening shower gel for your skin. These are already made shower gel, like we have the already made clothes. So already made shower gel that you can get from the market. If you don't have time to produce your own shower gel, or maybe you have this kind of tough skin and you're trying to lighten up your skin, you have this kind of stubborn skin, anything you use is not working, so this shower gel are really good. Yes, I'm saying it's really good because I have tried it. Yes, so it's really good. I'm going to be reviewing this shower gel and telling you their names and tell you how good they are, so that you can also go and get it from the market if you're finding it difficult to get a shower gel that you can be using in your house. Okay, so guys, the first shower gel here is Gluten White. So I don't know if you can see. So this is Gluten White shower gel, and this is made from Asia. Okay, so when we're talking about lightening, we know Asia, Abidjan, Cotonou, Cameroon, yeah, yes, Cotonou, Cameroon, those countries, they are really good in producing whitening products. Okay, they are really good in producing whitening products. Like we Nigerians, we are still learning now. We are still learning. Do you get? So this is a whitening shower gel. It's really good and it's really safe. It's going to help to lighten up your skin. See, one thing about, guys, see, it is written whitening. Not that you buy it now, you'll be thinking this thing is going to whiten your skin though. No, these things are just name. If you say lightening, it will lighten up your skin. But you see, whitening, my dear, you can use it for 10 years before you experience whitening though. So don't get deceived like, oh, it's whitening, it's going to whiten up your skin. No, these are just market name, selling name. They want to sell market. But if you say lightening, of course, that I can assure you is going to lighten up your skin. So this Gluten White shower gel is really good. It smells nice, and it foams well. There are some shower gel that you're going to get from the market. It's frustrating. It may be working on your skin, but it's frustrating because it's not going to foam well. And if your soap is not foaming well, it's not going to clean up your skin. Do you get it? It's not going to clean up your skin and give you that desirable color that you want. So this one foams well. It is cool. This is 200 ml and it is cheap. So let's just say if you're getting this, sorry, not 200, 2000 ml. If you're getting this 2000 ml of a shower gel in your house, and you can use this for 2 months, you can use it for 2 months. So if you use this for 2 months, at least that 2 months, you should know if your skin has really improved. Like those of you that want to go from one shade to two shades like that, so you will know if your skin has really improved. So if you finish this one like 2 months and nothing happened, your skin is still remaining the same, don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to improve it. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to improve your shower gel so that you can have the desirable color of you, or the desirable skin tone that you want. Okay, so this one is made with aha. Okay, this one contains aha, and this one contains vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. Okay, and this one also contains vitamin C, and this one also contains goat milk. So can you just imagine these four things? Yeah, this is four active. So these four things, they are all lightening. Okay, the aha is there to exfoliate the skin, while the other ingredients are also there to lighten up your skin. The goat milk lighten up the skin, but the main purpose of goat milk in the product is exfoliation, because it contains aha. Okay, so this one is also a lightening shower gel. Okay, so this one, you can also use this one if you want to tune up your skin, you want to upgrade your skin, like instead of going to the market and getting these I don't know. I don't know how much they are selling those cheap shampoo in Nigeria, but yeah, like you can go to market and just get shampoo called Dove, like things like that. They do darken the skin. Those products are made for the white skin, not for our own skin. Our own skin is very stubborn. Our own skin is very stubborn. So you can just get this one and be using in your house, and it's going to tune up your skin and lighten up your skin. So this one is the Amos White shower gel. It's really good, and this one foams a lot. Okay, the content inside there is milk color, and it's really thick, and it foams a lot, and it smells nice. Like if you're taking this, if you're taking your shower with this one in your bathroom, you're going to love the smell in your bathroom, and it's really, really great. It's for skin lightening, and it's for skin lightening. It also moisturizes the skin, it firms the skin, it restores the skin. And this one is a Amos White triple action shower gel. So when they say triple action, meaning it is really, really effective. Okay, so you have to try it, but if you're not getting your result, like I said before, I'm going to tell you how you can make it more effective. Okay, so the next shower gel is Extreme Glow. So Extreme Glow is nice, but I have a problem with this shower gel. I have a problem with this shower gel. It's nice, it's a lightening shower gel, all the same. Okay, this one is made with kojic acid, glutathione, carrots, and vegetable glycerin. So we all know that kojic acid is a lightening stuff, glutathione is a lightening stuff. Okay, so these things lighten up the skin, these things lighten up the skin, so it's really, really great. But this one does not form well. That is my problem. This one, you will not get that foamy stuff. At least if you're taking your bath now, the soap is supposed to be foaming well so that you can be able to clean up your skin. No, it does not foam well. So that is why I really do not like this this shower gel, but it is a lightening shower gel. So now I'm going to tell you how you're going to use them. So for those that want to go for whitening, these two, you have to mix them together. Okay, you mix these two together. So you take half of this, and you take half of this, and you mix it together. Okay guys, you mix it together. So if you mix them together, you still need to add some lightening ingredients to it. You don't just mix them together and you start using. Of course, if you mix them together, you still it will still improve it a bit. But if you want that improvement, that's really, really, really good improvement, you still have to add some lightening ingredients to it, like adding some lightening powders. Okay, these ones are already made with goat milk. There's no need of adding goat milk again. This one is already made, the gluta C is already made, gluta white is already made with the vitamin B3. No need again. It has, they already added vitamin C to it. There's no need again. So they already added aha, no need of adding a high again. So you look for other things that you know, this stuff is really great for skin whitening. So if you want to really have that effective lightening with this soap, you mix them together, and voila, you're going to have a very great lightening soap that will just speed up the effectiveness of your soap. You want to have this lightening skin fast, 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 fast. So you add some stuff to it. There are a lot of things to add, okay? Lot of things, a lot of lightening powders, not just even powders alone. There are some lightening serums that you can add to it that will just speed it up. Do you get that? Like Snow White powder, you can add Snow White powder to it to help speed the lightening effects up. A lot of things, guys. And if you don't want to go for that kind of skin tone, like you don't want to have 2 shade lightening or 3 shade lightening, then you can use this one. You mix this one with the Amos white together, okay? So the main reason why we are even mixing them together, like I said, this one does not really foam well, seeing these two together. So the Amos white is going to help this one to foam really good, okay? So you mix them together, and you also add some stuff to it, like any ingredient that you know, okay, this one can help boost it a little bit, you know. You boost it a little bit and you use them together. So that is just it. So if you want to, if you know how to mix product together, of course you add some stuff to it and you mix it. And this is just like making your own product at home. Do you get it? Like you're at home, you're comfortable mixing your product that you want to use on your own skin yourself, okay? Because even if you want to still buy it from sellers, like you want to buy a lightening or a whitening soap for sellers, they will still know how they can mix products for you to use. Just that those ones, they are experts. They already know what and what to add and what not to add to it, okay? So if you know what and what to add, then you can add them and you start using your soap, and you see your skin just coming out light, bright, and all that, okay? So we have a lot of whitening soap in the market. We have the K Brothers, we have the Nano, a lot of it, okay? So you mix them together and you're done, you're good. So even these soaps, you can even add them together. What is it called? The other one, dope shampoo. Do you get? So you can still add dope shampoo to it. So I will come back another day to talk about dope shampoo. We really need to talk about dope shampoo. We really need to talk about dope shampoo. So you can still add dope shampoo to it just to boost the effectiveness. Do you get it? Just to boost it up, because using them alone, it works, no problem, but it's kind of, slow. So your own job is just to add something to it and boost them up, and you have a nice lightening soap or whitening soap. Do you get it? So guys, that is it for today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me. And if you're in Europe, US, Canada, anywhere you want to buy this soap, this shower gel, I do sell them. You can buy them from me, okay? So if you're in Nigeria, easy, go to the market and buy your soap. If you're in Ghana, easy, go to the market, because I know some people will still come and ask me, where can I get this soap? If you're in Nigeria, enter market. Anything you want to buy in a market, not they ask where you go buy them. Anything you want to buy is market. They don't they sell things for church. They don't they sell things for school. Anything you want to buy, go to market and buy. And if you want to, these are skincare products. If you want to go to market, you will not go to where they are selling fish to be looking for skincare products. You cannot go to where they are selling tomatoes and be looking for skincare products. Go to where you know they are selling creams. The shop you know they are selling creams. Go there. Give them the name or the picture. Tell them you're looking for so product. If they have it, they will sell to you. If they don't have it, you check the next shop. It is simple as that. Okay, guys. So that is it. I hope this video is helpful. If you have questions, leave your questions below. If you want to join my training class, please do. And also following me on my Instagram page, okay? Radiance _diva skincare. That is it, guys. So I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.